from here. It's on the way from here. How's your journey?
Good. Punctureless tape. We have weared the punctureless tape.
Next step ini for kini kita arnut ke Wanda Bangalore. We the opportunity of Dhanush M and Hemanth Y.B. Ini dah member yang RotaractClub yang RotaractClub yang ke Shishu Mandir, Rotary Club yang ke Bangalore, Whitefield Central, yang ke RID 3190. RID means Rotary International District yang ke Bangalore. Yang dua ini tak agak 3240. Ini district of Pai kita 3190. The one in Bangalore, the cycle, Armutki, the Jingtumuk yang kita mau kabar kam awal si 29 number in the states, a little United States. The sedang kini ke journey yang kita yang kini Bangalore nado ke Kadugodi July. The nin the one ke Shillong ni the po ke July. Naini ulah sa Assam. Kalau tiga Assam dah om kita nak lagi, ya bangan. Handulima secara tempat dan samsuk kini dua arngot tahu teruk dua break record jadi kerang yang kita mulai kami arpau 1000 kilometer kapal jalan India orang hoi lagi state lately Union Territories jadi tu yang ki boil Jawa job saya jinglal tu yang ki ye ki kuat grup saya apa war Guinness Book.
First we started from Bangalore and we entered for Andhra Pradesh. From Andhra Pradesh we covered like 1000 kilometer and in Telangana 1000, like 2000 in Andhra and Telangana. So after that we entered for Odisha and Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha, after Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, and now we are in Meghalaya. Till now we completed 5500 kilometers. So like this we are going to travel 180 days. Still 180 days all over India, like 29 states we are going to cover and 3 union territories. And our main motto is global warming and literacy, basic education and save environment. This year, the International Rotary Club have taking a mission of literacy. Literacy is a main motto of this year 2021. So we are also making awareness about literacy. So and we are very happy for Rotary and all public. Till now we completed 8 states. We got very good response from everyone. So we are really happy. We meeting every good person daily, different weather, different place, different food, different experience. So we are really lucky to have this. And I thanks for my supporters, Rotary Whitefield and Dr. Durga Prasad Reddy and RotaractClub of Shishu Mandir. And special thanks for Hari Prasad Reddy and Prashant Reddy. So they are the main pillars of our journey. And I really thank for Rotary Club of Juwai. So we got wonderful hosting here and very really happy, and we met wonderful sir and everyone. So we met on a cycling club, the cycling group. So they are very energetic and they are really helping for us for tomorrow, because we are in Meghalaya, we'll bit of confusions here, so we are getting clarified by them the routes. So we are really comfortable with Juwai Rotary and cycling group. So please do cycle, save environment, not daily cycle. Try to do like 2-3 kilometers daily. Nearby stores, you need any basic items, you go by cycle, not to use bikes for 2-3 kilometers. Go by cycle. It is used for health and it will be very good for environment. We are climbing from Shillong to Juwai. From 1.5 hours, we just came 8 kilometers.
Average speed
So,
6.2.
Heart
Heart
climb from
rate
Shillong.
125.
Oof. Can't imagine that heights. Very heights. Let's see. Down here we can get down. We're hoping to get down only. It's very high place. But with luggages, we feel very high.